Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Brave Search to Edge. All right, so first up, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Now, once done, go to the top right and click on the three dots. Okay, now click on Settings. In here, in the left panel, just click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Okay, so click on it. Now, in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find Search and Connected Experiences tab. Okay, so in here we have address bar and search. So just click on it. Now all you'll do is just click on search engine using the search bar. So click on the drop down. As you can see here, we don't have Brave. Now to add one, just go and click on manage search engines. Okay, click on it. Now what you'll do is just click on add. Now in search engine, just type down Brave. And the shortcut, it could be Brave or just BR. It's up to you. Okay. And the URL, just make sure that you type down https://search.brave.com. Again, another /. Now search $Q equals % into S. Okay. Now once that's done, just click on add. Now to make it your default, well, go ahead and find Brave. Click on three dots. And just click on make default. Okay. Now go ahead and test it out. Type down anything you want right here in the URL box. And you will notice that Brave browser is now our new search engine. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.